I'm so excited. I had to just jump straight into the video and show you guys. Today we're working with color. I'm so excited. We're working with the BTF collection, and this is a wig that I got. I'm so excited. I'm going to jump into the package and what they sent in a few, but I just had to show you guys this gorgeous green wig that I received. It is so nice. So nice. So I'm super excited to go ahead and install this. Today's wig is a green bob. As you can see, it's 12 inches long. I'm going to be sure to put the specifications, like, you know, the density, all that good stuff, but this is a vibe. This is screaming summer. I can't wait to go ahead and you know install this. This is so nice. So inside of the wig like this, it has 4 combs in total and adjustable straps in the back. I get further into it in a few, but first let me go ahead and show you guys what I got into the package today. All right, so firstly, oh my gosh, this is so different. This is so different. I should put on one of these lashes. This is like some fashion lashes, guys. So I don't know if you can see, but it has like green streaks in the lashes. I got 2 pairs. This is so bomb, guys. I'm gonna do my nails soon, so don't mind that. And yeah, this is so cute. So I got 2 pairs of lashes. I got this cute little packaging with like a clip, like clips rather, on the inside, and a hairpin. Well, this is a like clip and that's a hairpin. It's so cute. I got 2 more of like the same thing, but they didn't come in the package there. I got like a headband, bandeau kind of vibe going on here with this thing. Check the details out. That's so cute. I got a wig cap and elastic band. Oh, they gave me a lot of goodies. This is so nice. And I got 2 headbands here. So you can look out for those stuff when you order from BTF in your package, okay? Little gifts. It's always nice to get those little gifts. So with that being said, I'm ready to put this on. Let's go. So I love the fact, as I said, this is one out, well, it's only a few colored wigs that I've ever like received that is colored directly from the roots. A lot of them come like with that dark root vibe, and then it usually transitions in the color. So I really appreciate this color job. It's 2022, you know, we bold now. Once I'm gonna be like, I'm not that bold to wear the color like directly from the roots now. Give me the color directly from the roots. It gives a whole different vibe, you know, and I love that. So what I'll say about the hairline is that you could definitely go in and pluck it more if you wish. I'm going to be using my Got To Be for today's install and my blow dryer on cool air. I'm not sure how I'm going to part. I feel like I definitely want to do like a side part vibe with this, because I don't know, it's just giving that. It's such a pretty like money green, you know? Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. So what I can say, oh my gosh, look at that the green. It's so pretty, and I don't think I've ever like fully done this kind of green directly from the roots. I've done green hair before, but not like this. So I am so excited to be doing this look. But what I noticed with the hairline is that despite the fact that you could go in and give it more graduation and stuff, it is not like super thick. It's not like super dense, you know, like sometimes you get some wigs and like in the front is like kind of hard to work with. You definitely cannot go on any further without, you know, plucking it some more and stuff like that. And this is, it feels really nice and flat, so I love that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make that flatter by using, you know, make the meltdown do what I do a little bit more by using my elastic band and my blow dryer. So you see how that looks? That doesn't look bad at all. I feel like this color complements my skin tones. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of the extra lace. I think I'm just gonna go with a side part, you know. That's the vibe I'm getting from this. I don't think I want to do any swoops or anything on this wig. It's just like give me that vibe, you know. So the hair itself, like I say, it's not dry. Am I getting shedding? Very minimal. I've been getting very minimal shedding, not a lot at all. So that's good. The luster of the hair is nice. It's not like, it don't look like dolly hair, you know. Sometimes I get colored hair can come out a little too shiny. No, it's not giving me that vibe. Okay, so I'm glad it's different. Usually I do my swoops, but I decided to definitely not do any swoops today. I just kind of want that pull back colored vibe look, so that's how I'm gonna keep it. This looks so cute. It's not even straightened or anything yet. Like, it has a little flip vibe going on at the end. It's just a statement wig, you know. Then we can make statement. Yay. Yay. So what I'm gonna do is just run through this with my flat iron. You know, I never have a flat iron this now. I can do like a flip up vibe on a think. Just stand that, I feel like I want to go to straight back. Yeah. I mean, you could definitely do the flip though. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Right now, let's see if I have to do nothing to this. It's so nice and silky. It's the best thing for me to, for like when I get processed hair that is like not like it don't feel like overly processed, like, and you can tell by that, by the way, you can tell that by the way how it moves, how it looks, how it feels, to the fact that this is still so flowy, the luster is still so nice. It's like, it's not over processed, you know. It still has all those good qualities that you want in good human hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with flat ironing this. So right off the bat, I'm gonna say 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you're looking for a bomb money green wig, this is it. This is it. Look at the movement. It is so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. I feel like this complements my skin tone really nicely. It looks so good. The movement is nice. It doesn't look dead and like, you know, done for. despite all the processing it's been through. So I love that. BTF collection. This wig is gorgeous. Color job is amazing, you know. So I would so recommend this if you're looking for that bomb colored wig for summer. And yeah, that is it for today's wig look. It's definitely on the more exciting side. I'm happy I could, you know, show you guys. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Also follow me on my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Thank you guys for checking out today's video. You know, I'm always so appreciative. Shout out to BTF collection once more for today's amazing wig look. It is gorgeous, you know. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.